Good morning to all my kids. Welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Richa Shrivastava. I'm your GK teacher and I'm going to take the revision of chapter number 20 and 21. So as you know children that we have completed our periodic syllabus of GK and you know very well the syllabus of periodic examination, that is from chapter 13 to chapter 24. So I know you all have done all your work, and children, the revision of chapter 20 and 21, that is the chapter 20 is winners of Falke Award and the chapter 21 is the World Heritage Sites. So children, you know very well that the chapter 20 Falke Awards. So you know the Falke Award are the most prestigious kind of award which has been given in the field of cinema, in the field of Indian cinema, the people who done a great contribution or who have done a very good job in the Indian cinema, in the field of Indian cinema, like the singers, like the actors, actresses, producers. So all the person who are who belongs to the Indian cinema and they have done something very good and for the Indian cinema. So the Falke Award has been given to these people. So you know some names of Falke Award winners are like Satyajit Ray, Shashi Kapoor, Devanand, Asha Bhosle ji, and the first winner of the Falke Award is Devika Rani. So this is the chapter which actually is important for the examination point of view, and there could be so many questions. So many questions will arise, and of course it is important for the examination. The next chapter, that is World Heritage Site. You know very well the World Heritage Site. The sites, there are certain locations in all over the world which are very important for the which actually for the future generation also and for the present generation, because from these sites we will get important information, and they are very amazing areas which are so supernaturally very naturally very beautiful, as well as they are very wonderful too. So like Petra, like like Petra, like the Victoria Fall, the Humayun's Tomb, Baikal Lake in the Russia, and the Great Barrier Reef of Australia. So these are some names of the World Heritage Sites. So there are some important questions like Froggy Speaks, and some important facts which are related to this chapter are also important for the examination. So let us start our revision work. So do the questions, all the questions children, all the very best. GK worksheet of chapter 21, chapter 20 and 21. And the date is, today's date is 1st October 2020. So GK worksheet. This worksheet is related to the chapter 20 and 21, and the first question of this worksheet is match these names with the correct years in which they got the Dada Sahab Falke Award. So in this question you have to write the correct year of getting the Falke Award to these people. The first name in this question is Satyajit Ray, then Raj Kapoor, Dilip Kumar, Asha Bhosle, Shashi Kapoor. So these are the names of the winners of Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and here you have to write the correct year in which Mr. Satyajit Ray has got has got the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Then you have to write the correct year of the Raj Kapoor, in which year he got the Phalke Award. Then Dilip Kumar's winning year, and then Asha Bhosle's in winning year, and then the year of Shashi Kapoor in which he got the Phalke Award. So children, you have to write the answer. And then the question number 2. Question 2, this is the answer the following question. Answer the following question. There are 6 questions in this segment. First question, write the location of Victoria Falls. You know the question, all the questions of this segment. Question number 2 is related to the chapter 21, that is the World Heritage Sites. So first question in this segment, you have to write the location of Victoria Fall, where the Victoria Fall is located. Then question number 2 is, Cambodia is famous for which heritage site? Why Cambodia is famous, or which heritage site is located in Cambodia? So you have to write the heritage site of Cambodia. Then question number 3, what is the length of Grand Canyon? What is the length of Grand Canyon? You have to write the total length of the Grand Canyon. Okay. Now the next question is, write the name of the Russian heritage sites. So children, you know the heritage site of Russia. So a very important heritage site is located at Russia. So you have to write the name of that heritage site. The next is, which heritage site can be seen from space, and write its location also. The heritage site which is visible from the space. This is very big thing. A heritage site which is visible from the space. So you have to write the location of this heritage. Location means where they are situated, in which country they are. Okay. Then question number 6. Jordan is famous for which heritage site? So Jordan is famous for which heritage sites? So you know children, all these questions are based on the chapter 21, that is World Heritage Site. So please learn and do the answers. So this is all for today children. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you know the pattern of the question, means what type of question will come in the examination. So thank you for watching this video.